Downloading your account data from American Express can help you keep track of your finances and manage your expenses. Follow these steps to easily access and download your data. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Statements and Activity section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Data Download Options. In the Account Services section, find the option for download or export data. This may be labeled differently depending on the website updates, so look for similar terms. Step 4. Choose the data format. You will be prompted to select the format in which you want to download your data, such as CSV, PDF, or Excel. Choose the format that best suits your needs. Step 5. Download your data. After selecting the format, click on the Download button. Your data will be prepared and downloaded to your device. Check your Downloads folder to find the file. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from American Express. This information can be invaluable for budgeting and tracking your spending.